Today we're going to be discussing celebrity lighting using the Rako control system. So if that's something you're interested in, keep watching this video. Hi, I'm James. I'm one of the directors here at Astra Lumos, and on today's episode we're discussing celebrity lighting designs using the Rako system. Now there's a couple of aspects that we're going to be discussing in this video. Stuff we have touched on before, such as how the Rako system can make your home lived in whilst you're away. So I suppose it depends on what you consider or what comes to mind when you think about celebrities. So when I think about celebrity, my instant reaction is things like bespoke features, so one-offs nobody else has, something that really makes the property or the garden or whichever space we're working with really unique and exceptional. So when they invite their friends over, it's something that nobody else has. Probably a second home. So if they're sort of London based, then maybe this is for their countryside house. So security, that sort of thing, is probably generally quite important. Something that if sort of remote access, so remote control of lighting, security, that sort of thing. As we're focusing on Rako today, we're going to be focusing on the remote control lighting aspect. And probably finally, reliability. Hence why we've gone for Rako in this situation. So first things first, we're going to be talking about something that's a bit wow, something that's a bit unique. Generally, when we've worked with celebrities in the past, the first thing they want is something that nobody else has, none of their friends have, something that when they come to their friends and go, hey, look at this, this is what I've got. For example, one of our celebrity clients, wanted the ability using his lighting control system to control his water fountain further down on his estate, and that's just because he could. So what we did was we incorporated the water fountain pump controls into his lighting controls, so from his phone he could then turn his water fountain on and off whilst looking at it from a distance from the house. So that is sort of the thing that sort of springs to mind when people say, when you do work with celebrities, what are they after? Another thing is one of our other celebrities called us in to hang the chandelier because it was $39,000, and the people who were on the job at the time, she didn't quite trust them to hang it safely and securely. So we were called in to hang the chandelier and then the matching wall lights, which were sort of several £1,000s each, with multiple of them, that sort of thing. Anyways, getting digressed. The next thing is obviously security. So with the Rako system, when celebrities have a second country house, generally they want their house to look lived in, and that is a big feature of Rako. So not only can you program it to do what you want, such as a big feature that our non-celebrity clients like is an all-off by the front door, so that if friends, relatives, kids, you name it, have left a bathroom light on the other side of the house, as you're walking out the door, all off and away you go. From a second home point of view, we can program the lighting so that it looks like things, for example, you'd have, say, the kitchen lights come on, the hall lights come on, kitchen lights go off, the stair lights go on, the hall lights go off, the master bedroom lights go on, the stair lights go off, etc, etc. So, and you can program this in so that your lights come on and off with nobody being in the property. So if somebody was scoping the property out just to see if maybe there's somebody there, what they would see is the lights come on and go off in different rooms as if you were walking through. So that's quite a big safety aspect of things. Remote control also then links to if you've got sort of friends, relatives, housekeeper, that sort of thing, who are in the property and maybe they're struggling to understand exactly what works, how to turn it off, that sort of thing. Quick text, quick call. They can log in on their phone, turn it off, and away you go. And then finally is reliability. So we've used Rako, and we're a big fan of it here at Astra Lumos, and we've used it for a long time. One of the biggest applications that we've been a part of was a £4 million restaurant renovation where lighting was just absolutely critical. So a hardwired Rako system, super reliable, can't have lights going off in the middle of a seating, middle of a session, middle of a cover. So Rako, absolute sound. So when it comes to our celebrities, if they are going down the scene setting, remote control, that sort of aspect for their renovation or for their garden, we need it to work first time, every time. And so Rako has been our go-to partner for a long time, and we've had no issues with it. So from a reliability aspect, Rako is absolutely perfect for this situation. I've got a couple of celebrity videos coming up in terms of what we do in different situations. So look out for this series, and I'll see you on the next video.